What's up, everybody? We're back with another review video. This one's for the Redragon Ranger Lite 8000 DPI mouse. Redragon was kind enough to send this out for review, so let's get right into it. So this mouse is actually a wired and wireless mouse. So what's in the box? So we do have the box here, Ranger Lite 8000 DPI in white, the M910-WS, 2.4G wired, 2.4G and wired dual modes. So you can do wireless again or wired. And it has up to 8000 DPI and switchable, built-in 700 milliamp battery, 9 programmable keys, gaming grade sensor, 20 million click light, and RGB backlighting. As you can tell, which it was doing before, it was lighting up there. So in the back, just tells you about the receiver and the button for the on-the-fly DPI. So you want to change your DPI, gaming grade sensor. So definitely, this is more of a unboxing, taking a look at what you receive and the information on what you're going to be getting. You know, the gameplay is all to the person's, preference and the DPI, and especially how big it is. So I have long fingers, a pretty big hand, and it almost covers my whole hand in the palm there. So definitely, as you can tell, it's a pretty nice size mouse. So what it comes in, of course, the instruction manual, USB-A to USB Type-C. They're always infamous, ready for battle. Just showing you some stickers here. So definitely, that's a good touch. Again, the box there. And then this is the mouse with the LEDs, and you can change it on the bottom here. So you can scroll through different colors. And then under here, this is where you're going to find your receiver. Now I have the receiver plugged in. It's a little white receiver that it's in here. So if you just want to use this as a wired mouse, you can just plug in the wired, call it a day. But if you want to use the wireless and get, and get this wireless here, the receiver is in here. So don't forget, nano receiver, as they call it, is inside here. You just got to just spin it open. And this is for turning on pretty much the RGB here. So you can have it on, you can keep it off, or you can do eco mode. So it's wireless, but it's not going to have the RGB. Only this is going to, going to change for DPI here. But other than that, it's not going to be colorful. But if you get it going back to on, it'll have the RGB going on. So these are going to be the DPI buttons there. You got a forward and backwards. And then this button here it's like a left click for 3 times. So if you press it once, it'll left click 3 times. So that's a cool, nifty button, scroll wheel. And the lights again, so DPI, up and down, lights, forward and back, and the left click 3 times. So it's definitely nice, a nice mouse with all these colors, the RGB, because people love RGB, right? This will be nice with your setup. So again, this is the Ranger Lite 8000 DPI, the M910-WS, and we'll catch you on the next review.